Hey guys, Jim Kahrs here. Hey, I want to talk to you about our upcoming webinar. We've got a new webinar in our series. It's going to be on Thursday, October 17th, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And this one is going to be dedicated to outlining strategies for better planning and handling taxes. Something we all love or hate, but a topic that we all have to deal with. And one of the things that I found is that a lot of times the stress and the pressure and the upset is very often driven by the fact that there isn't the best pre-planning done to be ready for taxes, to make sure that you can minimize the tax burden, minimize the stress of cash that's going to be demanded when it comes time to pay the taxes, and really understanding how to handle and navigate the entire year with your taxes. So we're going to, in this webinar, we're going to talk about what are the tax rates, the differences in different types of corporations. We're going to look at how can you see what your tax liability is throughout the year. How do you properly plan for that from a cash standpoint? And really touch on some strategies that I've used with our clients that have been very successful in really, again, navigating this to minimize the overall tax burden, coordinate better with your CPA, and put yourself in a position where you really have a much better understanding of your cash flow and not get hit with that surprise tax bill or cash demand at the end of the year. So again, this is a brand new one. It's not a topic that I've covered before, but based on the number of times we've gone over this with clients, I think it's one that is needed and wanted by a lot of folks out there. So I'd like to invite you to come join us. Again, it's Thursday, October 17th, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Carve out a little bit of time there. Register for this. If you can't make it, register anyway, and then we'll send you a link to the recording. But definitely love to have you join us, because I think this will be a useful and valuable webinar for most folks out there. So look forward to seeing you then. Take care.